Hex tokens, latest news and developments. Today we'll do some price predictions and technical analysis at the end of the video, but we're going to go over this article from Crypto Daily talking about Ethereum whales July pick, Uniglow, Hex, and Chainlink. So let's see what this is about. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure that bell notification is lit. You guys do not want to miss out. We got investors have been having a terrible first half of the year with the Terra Luna crash that wiped out 40 billion from the crypto industry. Coin holders have been busy scraping whatever is left at the bottom of the market's profit barrel. And we can see that right now. The markets are pulling back, and the overall markets are actually red right now, moving over to these crypto bubbles, which I like. Definitely check out this website, Crypto Bubbles, and we can see that we got Hex and TWT are the only ones, and Quantum are the only ones in the green. So, moving back to this article is something that we can see that, the markets are struggling a bit. But we have right here, but have we reached the bottom? Does that mean the market is ready to pick up again? Unfortunately, according to analysts, there is no definitive sign that the skies are clearing, but spoke to Ethereum whale, who said, at least for July, the three cryptos that investors need to explore is Glow, Hex, and Chainlink. And today we're going to be looking at Hex. We'll do the price predictions at the end of the video because they're talking that it can go up to $1. We'll see what we can find on these charts. Investors also need to explore the investment opportunities with Hex this month. Hex is the first certificate of deposited CD in the blockchain technology. This platform has been very good to its early investors and stakers so far. Hex stakers offers a 38% return per year. Okay, the price of Hex token could reach $1 within the second quarter of 2023. As of the writing, Hex is writing the $3 or the 3 cents. If you purchase the token today, you might earn significantly by the following year. Of course, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Just because Crypto Daily says so or because I say so, that's not enough. Of course, we see that we got Hex up 11.5%. Going to their website just to get everybody up to date really quick. We got Hex takes an average 38% returns on the year. So this is pretty impressive if you ask me. We got some great sponsoring, and just to let you guys know what's exactly, because this kind of disrupts the market. This is something different, right? So we're going to go into this small little part right here. We have this little part right here. We got certificate of deposit. CDs are a common investment tool managed by banks. Hundreds of millions of people use them worldwide, creating market value in the trillions of dollars. Hex has taken the concept of CDs at a significantly higher average return rates, removed banking fees, and turned it into decentralized cryptocurrency. This is huge right here because, as we can see, banks usually only give you an average of 2% on these CDs. So this is a big difference right here. And these type of technologies, when they disrupt the market, they really can push a lot further. This is the creator. We got Richard Hart right here. And going over to their Twitter page, we can see that they got 77,000 followers, pretty active community. Now moving over to the prices that I'm sure everybody's interested in, we see right off the top a Wyckoff pattern. It actually broke a little bit beneath it. If we go ahead and now we zoom in, these times that these candles broke underneath it on the daily chart, those are false breakouts to the bottom. Of course, the market's been very shaky. That's around that right underneath that 4 cents mark, so right above that 3 cents that they were calling. And then the next area that we're going to pay attention to are going to be these psychological barriers. Right here, let's go ahead and zoom in. So at the top of these candles right here, we can see that it's at 5.6. So at that 5 cents mark, we might see a little resistance before that, but right now we're going to call it that 5.6 mark. As we can see, we had prior resistance right here before. So this is something that we're going to be paying attention to moving forward to want to break out if we're looking to trade this one and to see it break out past that 5.6. After breaking out that 5.6, we can see a range up here at the 20 cents mark, which would be a decent return right there. Let's go ahead and zoom out and see where these lines actually match up. So I had this chart ready for us, but CoinMarketCap actually refreshed it. Before we get to there, we will see the chart dancing around this area right here. So this actually right, because that psychological right there. So this is the area to watch out for going into that 10 cents mark. We can see that we bounced. We were rejected here at one point, right? Then later on became a support, even though I wicked a little bit underneath it with that red wick right there. But nevertheless, we popped back up. We didn't come all the way quite down, but this is that area that we keep bouncing up and going right back up. As we can see that we held onto it right here, clinging on to staying above, 10 cents. We tapped it twice, and then we lost that support right here. So now we're going to try to make that, when we lost that support, we're going to try to, when we break out, we're going to try to make that resistance later, support later on, because it's going to be a resistance when we pop past this. go ahead and zoom in. Once we pass this 5-6 range, we're going to be marching up this way to go to that 10 cents. But it's going to be a resistance once we break above it and make a higher low, right? The simple design that we see all the time, we could see a march up now to this area of the 20 cents mark, okay? So make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I've seen a lot of you guys watching the videos not subscribing, so make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure the bell notification is lit up. Like that, you guys can continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.